Okay, I'm ready, set, go. Hey gang, RV Jerry here. I made this video to show you how difference in the ride, the Voyager ride, making this Harley, this Road King, a trike. Well, here we go. I'm going to start it. I'm kind of looking over here to your right, my left. Anyway, we're starting off here. Whoops, should have let it warm up first. Okay, here we go. I go with you for a ride around the block. This bike has been around the block the past 10 years. Up the road to the casino a couple of times. Mostly it sits in my dark garage, so everything is really nice, new. We put new tires on it. Everything's kept real nice inside. Not much dust. Okay, I've got several cameras going here at once. I have the GoPro Max on top of my helmet, and I have my Session 5 GoPro on one side, viewing the what do you call that? The gear shift. It has a rear kick down gear shift, and call that a gear peg. And I have my first hero watching the fender of the Voyager and the saddlebag. I made this so people who are thinking about buying a trike kit, I want them to see this, how the Voyager takes out a lot of the roughness of the road. The bike really rides smooth. If you watch the little edge of the saddlebag, the blue part, against the black fender of the Voyager, that's jumping up and down, you'll see the big difference. You gotta love this GoPro Max. You can make it. You take one video and then you can make it. You can move it around and capture what part you want to. So this is the part that I captured. I did one with just the front. That wasn't very good. I like this one better. Go around another corner. Now there you can see the fender of the Voyager bouncing around, while the bike is very stable back there. It's not doing any bouncing at all. And this is a very rough road. Those lines you see there are like 1 inch and 2 inch up and down, you know, where the road's cracked and they try to fix it. Our road people. Yeah, so this is real good. And look at the background. I got that background going on. That was cool. That's a trick in the with the software for the 360 stuff. This is a pretty neat ride. Watch that fender bounce, bounce, bounce. So when you think about buying a trike kit that bolts onto the frame, just how long would that work? You know, the welds, the bolts, they're gonna break, they're gonna come loose. The Voyager is completely separate from the bike, with 2 leaf springs. It fits around the bike like a fork. I probably get a little video show that to you. But right here, I thought this was real interesting. This is on my way home stretch here, and there's dogs. Watch this. glad he didn't try to chase my front tire, because that back tire would have just bumped. Alright, this is my street, and I'm just about home. And that rear fender is still going up and down while the bike is very stable. Remember that when you're thinking about buying a Voyager or some other, this is very stable unit. Costs a little more, but I think it's worth it. There I am. I'm home. Thanks for watching.